Sometimes you may find that the IU libraries don't have an article or book that you're looking for. Depending on how you found the item, for instance through Google Scholar, you may even be asked to pay for access. As an IU student, you never need to pay for access to the research you need. IU's InterLibrary Loan service can help get the resources you need free of charge by collaborating with other libraries across the country and across the world. This video will show you how to make a request. Say you're searching for an article in the library's databases. You find one that looks perfect, but when you click on the IU link Check for Availability button, you get this message. Click the link and choose Login. If you're a first-time user, you will be required to register by filling out a profile. You'll need your library ID number to do this. Your library ID number is the 14-digit number starting with a 2 that you'll find on your university ID. After you register, you'll fill in as much information as you know about the item you're looking for. If you followed links to the library's databases, much of this information will already be filled in on the form. Articles are almost always delivered electronically and will appear in your email automatically. You can choose to have books held on campus for pickup or have them mailed to you. You can also make a request straight from the library's website. Just navigate to libraries.indiana.edu. Scroll down to just below the search box and you'll find the Start Your Research section of the page. Click on this box to be directed to the necessary forms. At the bottom of the page, notice the link to our Frequently Asked Questions section. If you have any questions after watching this video today, check this link to find answers. If you're still stumped, just click on the Contact Us link and we'll be sure to get back in touch with you right away. Happy researching!